Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and here I'm going to show you how to find the missing App Store on your iPad. Sometimes it seems like the App Store has disappeared, but usually it is hidden or restricted in the settings. Let's go through a few ways to get it back. First, you can try a quick check. Swipe down from the iPad's home screen to open the Spotlight search bar and type in App Store to find it and see if it appears in the search results. This is the easiest way to find if it's simply hidden among your other apps. If it does not appear in the spotlight, swipe all the way to the right until you get to the app library. Every app on your iPad is stored here, and you should see the App Store there as well, as long as it is installed. Even though you can remove the App Store icon from your home screen, Apple does not let you delete the app completely, so it should still be in the app library. If the App Store still isn't there, there might be a restriction preventing it from showing up. You can go to Settings first and then scroll down and tap on the Screen Time option. Under the Screen Time, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Look for the option that says App Store Purchases or something similar. Here you can see the option of iTunes and App Store Purchases. Go ahead and tap on that. And now you will see the option of installing apps in the top. Go ahead and set it to allow. If it is set to anything else, it will block the App Store from appearing. Switching it back to allow should fix the problem. So that's all it takes to bring back the App Store if it has gone missing. So thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.